Introduction to Basic Statistics Concepts. Classification of variables. Based on the observed values of your variables, a variable can either be classified as qualitative or quantitative. A qualitative variable, from the root word quality, are variables that have labels or names assigned to their respective categories. And that is why it is also called a categorical variable. Whereas when we talk about a quantitative variable, from the root word quantity, these are variables that can be measured or counted. And that is why it is also called a numerical variable. Now when we say something that is measured, this is a question of how much. And the answers for this can have decimal places and units. For example, weight and your earnings. Whereas when we say something that is counted, this is a question of how many. And the answers are whole numbers. For example, the count of people who are late, or the number of personnel per barangay. Now let's have some examples. For qualitative variables, salary grade level, SG1, 2, and so on. The LGU income level, first level, second level, third level, and so on. And the type of agency. So are you working for the public sector or the private sector? Now we say here that salary grade level is a qualitative variable because this is a question of what is your salary grade level, and not a question of how much is your income. For quantitative variables, we have weight, 160 pounds, 125 pounds, 140 pounds, and so on. The number of personnel per barangay, 5, 10, 8. And the estimated monthly income of households, 4,000 pesos, 10,500 pesos, 18,500 pesos, and so on. Again, we would like to emphasize the importance of classifying your variables. That is, what are the responses that you're looking at? Do you want to know about the person's income? And are you expecting the exact value? Then that is classified as a quantitative variable. On the other hand, if you are just interested in the salary grade level, which are technically labels, then that is a qualitative variable. The bottom line here is that the type of analysis and presentation that you will make will depend on the type of variables that you have.